Hello friends, today we are looking at Skittles Freezer Pops. These are new. I saw them in the store today and I thought, let me try them out and show them to you. So they come in orange, strawberry, sour apple, and grape flavors, like the Skittles candies that we all know and love so much. Here's some nutrition information. We don't care about that because it's Skittles, it's not the best. This is good for another 2 years, so lots of preservatives. That's okay. They taste really good. And yeah, I got this from the dollar store. I think I paid $2 or $4 for it. I forgot. But yeah, that's what the box looks like. So I'm going to open it up. And here are the ices, freezies, ice pops, whatever you want to call them. They're all connected. They're not that many. There are about 10 of them in there. Okay, so we see that's what we've got. And of course, I don't want to drink them. I want to eat them. So they are frozen now. And let's do a taste test. So we see we got the orange, 2 oranges, 3 purples, 3 pinks, and I think 2 of the green ones. Okay, so I just got these 4 here because these are the 4 flavors. All right, and you can see I cut the tops off and now it's time for the taste test. So green, it was okay. Red, it was all right. It kind of tasted a little odd. It did taste like red Skittles though, so I guess it did the job. I found the purple, the grape, tastes the most like typical purple ices, and the orange was pretty good too. So yeah, those 3 are good. All right, see you later. Bye.